Hello everyone, welcome to Appalamma's kitchen. This is Neelima. Today I would like to share with you a very interesting snack recipe which is salted peanuts. This is very easy to make and usually this is a favorite tea time snack for many. This can be prepared in many ways. Today I am going to show you the recipe which I usually follow. Come, let's do. For this, take a bowl, add 4-5 spoons of water to it. Add just 1 spoon of salt to it and let the salt dissolve in water completely. Here I am taking 250 grams of peanuts. Take a wok, put on the stove, use only low flame throughout the cooking. Add these peanuts and dry roast them till they become crisp and light brown. They should be crisp enough. Till then, keep on roasting them. After they become crisp, add this salted water to the peanuts and keep on mixing. Now, in 1.5–2 minutes time, the water would evaporate and the salt would get coated to the peanuts. Be patient enough, do it only on low flame. Otherwise, the outer part would get roasted and the inner part of the nut would be soft and still raw. So, we don't want that. So, we want crispy salted peanuts. I have been doing this only on low flame. See, the salted peanuts are ready. The entire water got evaporated. The salted peanuts are ready now. Hope you like this recipe. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe to Appalamma's Kitchen. And for many more interesting recipes, please visit Appalamma's Kitchen again. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.